The work I would have had done in the USA would have cost me probably $30,000 or more. I did a lot of research about doing dental work outside the United States because in my country the cost is so much money. So I started looking around, looked at a lot of dentist places in Mexico, and I came across this place. So I thought, why not give it a try? So I came down 2 years ago in October, had extensive dental work done. It's been 2 years ago and absolutely no problem whatsoever. I'm very happy with the work. Technology here is great. They were state of the art. I saved at least half. The work I would have had done in the USA would have cost me probably $30,000 or more. And it was like $12,800 here. Saved a lot of money. Everybody here is very proficient, very polite, very prompt. It's a good place to go. Come on down.